You're here in IFI in Goa and you all are having your short film. So how is it feeling?
Yeah, it's feeling great. I've visited IFI many times before, but as a delegate. But this is the first time that I'm here as a filmmaker. And fortunately, the jury decided to select the film in the international competition, uh, which is very good. There are some very uh, good films this time, films by veteran filmmakers and also by very young, talented filmmakers, and which is a good sign. In fact, they have this slogan which says "Short Film Center, big on ideas." So I think it's happening.
Tell us a little about your short film.
Well, the short film is called Shwet, uh, and the international title of the film is White. The film looks at the nature of quantifiable and unquantifiable nature of pain, and how both can have similar consequences, similar ends. So that's about the film, briefly.
You only make short films or you make different kind, both of y'all are into making of short films only?
No, Shwet is my first short length film, and I have this year, in the beginning of this year, I have made another short film for a NGO. It's a fiction again, and it is set. It was shot in Bihar. That film is also ready, and I hope that I can enter that film next year in IFI.
Normally what happens when there is a feature film or a long film, it is screened somewhere, you can have shows for it, but normally for short films there's nothing of this kind. So what do you get making these short films?
See, filmmaking is about exploring ideas. I don't really care whether it is a short length or a long feature films. Obviously, long feature films uh, have the platforms like theater, cinema theater, where you can release it and people can go buy tickets and watch it. Unfortunately, in our country, neither television nor any other organization actually encourages short films, but actually short film is a great idea. It has the potential to explore new ideas, where you don't have to even think about market forces which decides what films go to the theater and what don't. So I think short film should be encouraged. uh, Entertainment Society of Goa is doing a fantastic job. I wish them great success, and I also look forward to see more films from India, not just overseas, but I would want many filmmakers to have this opportunity to bring their film here in Goa and show it to international and our own audiences.
Tell us more about your other projects other than these short films, what you have worked on.
See, I've done some very little amount of television way back in 2000, early 2000, for a few channels, and I've written some scripts for others. I've written some script for myself. I am working towards making my feature length film, and it is in the process. Hopefully, it should begin soon, early next year. And but I still want to continue to make short films because it is a very good medium to say and explore ideas.
uh, a thought or a concept comes to your mind, how do you decide you are going to make a short film or a feature film or a long feature film?
See, it all depends on the resources.
Not only, I mean, every subject actually, every idea, it's like saying you write a poem or you write a short story or you write a novel or you write a sequel based thing. So it's like that. An idea communicated in a certain amount of time period, in the structure of the film becomes very different. So the structure of a short film is a very interesting thing to explore actually, because it's not a feature length film, so you don't have the luxury of building up characters to on that in that way. Your communication has to be extremely sort of well thought out and precise, you know, because you have a format which is a limited format, which is the challenge. It's the challenge is to communicate your ideas as beautifully as you can, and it works like that, I think, for an audience also, because it's a short attention span that is required. You walk in, it's a 15-minute, 20-minute, ours is 28 minutes. It's watchable, you know, and it communicates something very quickly, and it's also very good to have now alternate medium like digital, the whole digital sort of revolution that seems to be happening. Everybody's just picking up a camera and shooting films, and of course different people are doing it differently, but basically I think that's one of the reasons why short films have become so popular in our country, because it's so much more doable. आइडियाज़ की तो कोई कमी है ही नहीं, लेकिन रिसोर्सेज हमेशा लगते हैं कि बहुत अनअचीवेबल हैं. यू हैव टू बी अ बिग नेम एंड यू हैव टू बी एबल टू फाइंड अ बिग प्रोड्यूसर. But here we are independent filmmakers who are like-minded, and we come up with ideas and we just execute them, and it's not as easy as it sounds, but at the end of the day we do have a film in hand. And
You're the producer of this short film. So what got you into this?
I am actually a costume designer by my profession, what I do. But like I'm saying, because you know, over 15 years of being in film and being connected with film, whatever aspect of filmmaking you're part of, you are communicating something. And we are a group, I mean, we don't have a company or anything, but we are a group of like-minded people, and so our ideas are similar. We are exploring similar thoughts, and we talk about them. And so, I mean, Kanchan writes. There's another friend who's also a writer. He writes. He's written, Anish Ahluwalia. He wrote this one. So, you know, when you say producer, actually, what I've done is I have brought all these people together and put in what I know how to do. And we have all got together and made it happen. So in a way, all of us are producers of this film, because we all put our energies, creative energies together. I haven't put in money, huge amounts of money. I have managed to convince people to put in small amounts of money to make this film happen. So, I mean, and to make sure that the running of the filming has been smooth, and we've brought it to...
And also bringing talents together is also producing, part of producing. So, which was also addressed in great detail.
What is your next step now after a film?
We've already gone ahead with more films, actually. Kanchan has moved on and made another short film. We've made 2 other short films which are different from this. Like, that's the other thing, that you can explore completely different. So, I mean, we're currently just in post-production for another film, which is a completely different genre and a completely different feel visually also. So we are quite excited with this actually, and let's hope we can sustain it.
Thanks a lot for speaking to Prudent. I hope that next year also I get to interview both of you here, and I see you every IFFI till IFFI is happening in Goa. All the best. Yeah. Take